LinkX solves the ride-handling trade-off in suspensions by canceling out the forces and moments that lead to body roll before they have a chance to destabilize the springs, shocks, and anti-roll bars. LinkX reduces body roll via inversion of the forces that occur in the suspension links. Thus, the springs are only responsible for 30 to 35% of the roll resistance. Therefore, a LinkX suspension employs very soft springs and shocks, yielding exceptional ride quality. Further, elimination of sway bars greatly reduces head toss and energy cycling. LinkX exhibits 90 to 100% camber compensation. This yields higher lateral grip and consistent handling balance under a variety of loads. The arms at the front of this prototype are production length and create a 97% stable roll center. The rear suspension has a 100% stable roll center. LinkX geometry allows the engineer to design for minimal dive, squat, and lift with negligible effect on ride quality. Minimizing all body motions improves driver comfort and reduces the probability that the vehicle will be caught in an out-of-shape position when an emergency maneuver must be performed. The braking J-turn simulates the real-world event of a simultaneous brake and swerve to avoid a wreck. The baseline SUV can traverse the course at 35 miles per hour, but only by releasing the brakes before the turn. The LinkX prototype glides through the test without brake modulation. More impressively, the prototype can traverse the course at 40 miles per hour while maintaining full brake load. High-speed tests were conducted by the Transportation Research Center on a baseline 2001 Expedition, a state-of-the-art 2002 Explorer, and the prototype Expedition. The first factor affecting rollover propensity is the ability to stay on the road through an emergency avoidance. Maximum speed through the Moose test is an excellent indicator of this ability. Averaging the maximum unloaded speed and the maximum fully loaded speed through the Moose test, the baseline Expedition nets 57.2 mph. The 2002 Explorer achieved an average speed of 58.35 mph. Thus, a state-of-the-art suspension and a 4-inch lower center of gravity yields 1.15 mph gain. The prototype Expedition glides through the course at an average speed of 62.05. This is a 4.85 mph gain over the baseline Expedition without the benefit of a lower center of gravity. A second rollover factor is rolling velocity or momentum. This figure can be considered an initial condition to a rollover sequence. Due to elimination of sway bars and the resulting reduction in energy absorption and release cycling, the prototype exhibits a 40% lower rolling velocity. This improves driver comfort and safety. The third factor surrounding rollovers is what we call the minimum righting distance, or MRD. This is the lateral distance between the endpoint of the CG's acceleration vector and the center line of the fully deflected tire contact patch. Looking at the baseline Expedition, the CG moves 2 inches toward the outside tire, and the contact patch of the tires deflects approximately 2 inches toward the CG. The resulting MRD is only 4 inches. The prototype Expedition is different in that the CG deflects only 1/2 inch. Thus, the prototype's MRD is 5.5 inches, or a 37.5% improvement over the baseline Expedition. By adding LinkX to a stock 2-star Expedition, the vehicle acquires real-world rollover resistance equal to a 3-star vehicle. The effective SSF factor increases from 1.11 to 1.16, effectively a 3-inch wider track. In summary, LinkX reduces the rollover risk in 3 ways. First, by reducing the risk of encountering a rollover situation. Second, by reducing the roll rate, thus reducing the severity of a rollover. And third, by increasing the real-world tripped rollover threshold. All of the benefits of LinkX are delivered without any impact on tire wear. In fact, initial independent testing proved that the Link X Expedition generated 16 to 31% less wear than a 2003 Expedition. All vehicles must have suspension arms. Link X extracts improved safety and precise body control from the links, so the springs and shocks may be designed strictly for optimal ride quality. More information is available at linkxsuspension.com or call our offices. Drive safely.